What's up, you guys? To today's video. Today we're going to be talking about our Boxycharm and our Ipsy bag. I have both the premium for the Boxycharm as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we're going to go ahead and open them together. It is a couple of days late for those of you guys that don't know, which some of you guys do know because I did talk about it in my YouTube post and on my social media, but my basement flooded and we had to redo everything. So we're still in the process of kind of doing the walls and repainting and stuff like that, but we did get the floors down. So I am able to redo my setup, which is completely different than what you guys are probably normally used to. That's kind of everything in gist. That's how my week's been so far. It has given me a lot of stuff to do. Information, what you need to know about both of these bags, boxes, and how it works will be linked down below. But let's get diving into it because I've made this intro a lot longer than what I'm normally used to doing. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Ipsy bag. First thing I have here is the bag itself, which I don't know why, but this feels really small. Like I feel like it's definitely the bag that would go with the regular Ipsy bag, not the Glam Bag Plus. They're usually a little bit bigger. So the card's Full Bloom, Ipsy, hashtag Ipsy Full Bloom. That is the theme for this month. It says, Mother Nature's finest work. It's time to fully embrace your natural state. Curls, curves, and all. And then it gives you the pamphlet on the inside. Okay, so first up is the, what is this? This is the Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. Skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse. Detox, purify, and deeply exfoliate. I'm actually pretty excited about getting something like this because I have a lot of hydrating masks. Not that that's a bad thing. It's just that I need something to kind of detoxify, kind of clean up inside the nose area, you know? And I've been enjoying a lot of my hydrating mask, but I feel like when I was looking for something like this, I definitely didn't have as many. So that is what it looks like. Can you guys see? It's like it's like a charcoal looking. Actually, it looks like poop, to be honest. It smells okay. Next up I have is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. Got 8 Miami inspired shades. So there is what it looks like. You do get a little bit of a smaller mirror. But you get 4 matte shadows on the bottom and then 4 metallic shadows on the top. There you have the metallic shades. It's a pretty natural palette, which I kind of like. I feel the last couple of palettes we've gotten from boxes have been really natural, which is nice to see. Because don't get me wrong, I do like fun, vibrant palettes. You guys know how much I like vibrant colors, but you know, there's only so many people are going to enjoy those. So when it comes to like subscription boxes like this, I do like seeing boxes that are a little bit more neutral and natural based because I feel like a lot more people are really going to get excited about it. So those are the mattes right there. I definitely feel like the mattes are very buttery and creamy. We'll try it out. I've never actually heard of this brand. Next up I have is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. I just got the one in black. Honestly, I have so many black liners, you guys. Oh, that side is felt tip. And then you got a pencil. Oh, that's kind of cool. So one side is a felt tip, and then the other side is a kohl pencil. Don't get me wrong, I love black pencils. I just don't use them, and I have so many in my collection that I'm like, okay, I need something other than like a pencil. I don't remember exactly what I picked for my choice. Like, you know how we get to pick what our choice is? I want to say it's this, but it could be wrong. But this is the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. This is by Sunday Riley, and this is actually formulated for oily to blemish-prone skin. Awesome, because that's definitely what I have. There's bentonite, marshmallow, and manuka in here. I'm interested in that. Very, very excited about this. It's been a while since we had carne asada. I'm super excited. We're having carne asada tonight, so I checked my rice. Did I get... Y'all, I don't remember exactly what my selections were, but it's either that Martian thing or this. So this is the Dose of Colors Play It Cool Liquid Lipstick. I did have 2 or 3 liquid lipsticks from them before I did my lipstick declutter, and the only reason why I decluttered them was just because they were bad. They were really, really bad. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that color. That's definitely giving me like 90s grunge vibes. I love this formula though. I think the formula on this is so amazing. Like, it's super easy to work with and it stays put and it stays on. It's just, overall, it's just really, really great. Okay, so let's move into Boxycharm. So first things first, we have is some cards. First thing we have here is by Makeup Eraser, and there is a code. So if you guys want to save 20% on a makeup eraser, I'll have it linked down below. But you use Boxy20 to get 20% off. And then here is the card. It says festival vibes. No festivals. And then on the back it says Misguided, and you can get 55% off your next order at Misguided if you use Boxy55. And then all the information on what you get is inside here. First product we have here is by IGK. This is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is a keratin-like treatment in a can that controls frizz for 24 hours. Damn. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what this is supposed to actually do. I think I'm supposed to spray it in my hair before I style it, but I love the freaking smell of IGK products. I have another one, and it's like a revitalizing or like revive your hair after a couple of days, and it smells incredible, and I love it because it lingers in your hair, and it's not super strong, but like if you're like, you know, smell your hair, it lingers, so that's awesome. Next up I have is this here by Pharmacy. This is the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Mask. It's a hydration mask. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging on this. It's like a honeycomb, and it's got like a little wooden cap to it, and then you've got the thing. Oh, it's magnetic. That's cool. You got the little spatula that's magnetic, and you just leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Isn't that some beautiful packaging, you guys? Look at how gorgeous that is. Next up I have is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara by Thrive Cosmetics. I have like 4 or 5 of these mascaras. Not that I don't mind it. It's just I feel like lately, here the last couple months, I've gotten this mascara over and over and over. Do you feel like that? I don't know. There's just like a couple products that you always get in your bag, and you're just like, slow it down. Slow it down with those. Next up we have is by Levito. This is inspired by nature. It is a age-away replenishing cream. It's got grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. Just using circular motions, and you just put it on your skin. Next up I have is by Peach and Lily. This is the Good Acids Pore Toner, which is supposed to gently exfoliate and balance. I want to say I actually got something from them last month also. I don't remember what box it was, but it was like a cleanser, and it's really, really good. Look at how stunning this bottle is. I know that like the packaging should not do anything for you, but I freaking love glass bottles. This is a glass bottle, and I'm excited about having a toner. It doesn't smell like anything, which I kind of enjoy. I actually just got rid of, well, not got rid, but I finished up one of my other toners. So right now I just pulled out my Good Molecules toner, but I like to have multiple toners, you know, to switch out. So I'm gonna implement this really quickly. So the next product I have is the, what is this? M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. It says fragrance, beach air, inspired by Greece. It's got multi-use for body, face, and hair. Oh my gosh. You know what the smell reminds me of? It reminds me of, like, you know when you go to the beach and you're walking along the boardwalk and there's these little boutiques, and you walk into like one of those boutiques that have like a bunch of touristy shit, and they've got like random ass like not sticks, but like branches, like wooden branches, not branches, but like, you know what I mean? And they're like, and people use them for decoration, and then they got seashells and stuff. I don't know why, but that's what I'm thinking of. Like one of those touristy boutiques that you walk into and you buy like beachy stuff. I don't know, I'll have to try it out. I'm not like super sold on a dry oil spray, but I could be wrong. It could end up being like really nice and a lot better of an alternative than just a regular fragrance. Last up I have is by Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Gloss. Excuse me. Okay. The High Shine Sparkling Gloss. And I have the shade Hidden Treasures. Okay, so here is the Sparkling Dazzling shade. Ooh, it's like a burgundy reflective gloss to it. I could see myself using this probably with like a pink lipstick. Anyways, that is everything that I received in both of these boxes. You guys let me know down below what you guys got and what your most exciting part of this box is. If you are new to my channel, I hope you guys will stick around, hit that subscribe button, and hang out with me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.